don't flip it over on its roof, guys, you know? Yeah, boy. Nice and easy. Fine job, fine job. Excellent, fine job. That's what I'm talking about. Set her down, guys. Set her down. That's my baby.
You don't see that every day.
You on Facebook? I was gonna say I'll add you and you can see it all.
I hate Facebook. I absolutely hate that thing. My wife has it and I can't stand it.
Hey, it's good for business.
Oh, I'm sure it is good for business. And one of these days, if I open up the business, I'll get it back. But the only thing that I ever posted on Facebook was German Shepherd.